Welcome to Mom's World.
Hey guys, I'm back with a quick video. I just want to make a really quick video on my Toddlers busy bag as of now. This is what we're using right now. I first created it for a long road trip that we were on, and ever since then I've just been using it as our busy bag for whenever we go out, and it's been helping a lot, and she really seems to enjoy it. So I'll just show you guys what's in the little pouch. So in here I have three sets of flashcards. I have the alphabet, numbers, and the space and solar system. So right now we're just make sure we go through all of our letters and understand each and every one of them and what they their letter sounds and what they begin with, like what words begin with those letters. Each flashcards come with 36 cards inside, and let's see, the alphabet has the letter on one side and the image of the animal or whatever it is that begins with that letter on the other side. So we have the alphabet and we have the solar system, which I really like. Right now she's just going over the planets. There's 36 cards in here as well, but right now I'm just only focusing on the planets, and then we can move on to other parts of the solar system. And then I just have the numbers. I think it's 1 to 100. I'm not sure. We haven't gone through all the numbers yet. We're just focusing on 1 through 20. So that's in here. I have 3 of them because, you know, she can be picky. She has 3 different options in what she would like to do. So that's that. Also, when we're done with these and she gets tired of doing these, I have other ones that she has not, well, she has used the animal ones, but I have other ones that she has not used yet. So all of these flashcards are from Target in their dollar section. They're each $1. So this is the animals of the world. She has sight words, phonics, and shapes and colors. So whenever we're done with these 3, I can always switch these out for a new pack. So these are all her flashcards. Also, what I have in here are some crayons, and the crayons are for this little book. It's called Let's Color. I got this book from like a gift shop store in New York. I really like it. It just has some fun activities. For example, it says draw some ketchup on the omelet, and then they give you an example of how you should draw it and the color that you should use, and then you draw the ketchup on the omelet. Here it says draw the spaghetti, and then you just draw the spaghetti. So it has all kinds of activities that you can do, which we really like. And then they have pages where it says color the white area. So this area is white, and you have to fill it in to match the color of the image. So this would be green. So you color it, fill it in green, purple. Here you fill in the balloons, and let's see what else. And then at the very end, it has a certificate of achievement that you can fill out. And it has a little drawing board at the back that you can use a dry erase marker to draw. So I thought that was nice. She also has a pencil, and the pencil is just for the same book, where she can just use the back, the plain paper on the back, to just draw whatever she likes. So that's why we just have the pencil in there. We also have a deck of Crazy 8 cards. This is from Target as well. So this is the Crazy 8's deck of cards, and she loves playing card games and doing card tricks. So once in a while, like if we're at a restaurant or so, we'll take this out and just play the game with her and teach her how, like what she has to do and stuff, and she really enjoys doing them. So we have this. Target also had other kinds like Tell Me a Story cards and Go Fish, the Crazy 8. I'm not sure if they had any more, but this is the one we're using right now. So just like a regular deck of cards, and has dinosaurs on them. And the last thing we have in here is Play-Doh. Just 2 little containers of Play-Doh. I mean, you can't go wrong with Play-Doh. She's obsessed with playing with the Play-Doh. So in the car seat in the car, if we go out anywhere, this is the #1 thing that gets played with before anything else. So that's all I have in her busy bag pouch. The pouch itself is from Target, but it came with another toy in here. I can't remember what it was, but I'm just reusing it from another toy and just storing everything in here. But you guys can use like a pencil case or any other pouch that you have and put your items inside. So this is everything that I have in her busy bag as of now. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching.